This video covers part 2 of the Data Drift Lab for IBM StreamSets. In part 1, you built a pipeline that reads data from a JDBC origin and saves it to a local file. In this video, you will build the data drift rule and alert, and then see it triggered in real time as mismatched data streams in through your origin. Remember, data drift rules alert you to changes in schema while the pipeline is running. Like the data rules used in the Alerts lab, data drift rules are configured at the pipeline level. To get started, click in a blank space on the canvas and then select the Rules tab below the canvas. Click the Data Drift tab and then click the plus sign to create a new rule. Enter the information shown on the screen or copy and paste it from your lab guide. Click Save once the rule is configured. Select the checkbox next to the rule and click the double check mark to enable it. The rule turns green when enabled. Now, click Draft Run and select Reset Origin and Start. Remember, resetting the origin sets the offset back to 0. You will see 70 records again, just like in the last lab. However, this time, the data drift rule is enabled. Do not stop the draft run. The data drift rule looks for pipelines that are actively streaming data. By leaving the draft run active, you are emulating a running job. Navigate back to your lab environment. In the terminal window, run the script shown on your screen and in your lab guide. This script will add a new column, comcode, to the stockco stores table, and will also add 2 new records to the table. These changes should be enough to trigger the data rule. Return to Control Hub. You will see 72 records now, with the red bell alert icon displayed. The alert text reads, the number of fields in field path / changed from 5 to 6. This is because you added the com code field when you ran the script. The data drift rule detected this schema change when the pipeline streamed the additional data that you added to the directory. Click the red bell icon in the upper right of the screen. The text of the alert also displays here. There are several actions you can take. Click View All, which is a shortcut to the alerts page. You can also click the History tab to see all alerts that have been triggered. If one has been triggered, you will not necessarily get a new alert if another triggers. The alert bell is already red. Or you can click the alert itself to mark it as red and view it. This refreshes the pipeline view in your lab. For now, click the SDC_rules alert text. After the page refreshes, click the bell icon, then click View All. On the Alerts page, you see your data drift alert. Select the checkbox and click the Acknowledge button. The alert is removed from this page. The red bell icon is also clear. Now return to your pipeline. The alert is triggered again. Why? Alerts of this nature will be triggered until the pipeline is updated or stopped. It is important to understand that if the underlying cause of the alert is not resolved, then Control Hub will generate a new alert when the same problem is detected again. Refer to your lab guide for a full explanation. Stop the draft run and then repeat the same steps you followed to clear all alerts. Congratulations! You've successfully created a data drift rule and monitored it in real time. Once again, you've impressed the leadership team with your quick, effective results. The data drift rule you created will be applied to all the new, imported data from the merger. Your manager is quite happy too. You've been given some time to spend learning a few other features of StreamSets. The next topic you'll study will focus on one of them. See you then.